CAA Insurance Home Insurance Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we're reviewing CAA Insurance Home Insurance based on real usage experience. Links to the product are in the description if you want to check it out. CAA Insurance is well known for providing reliable home insurance coverage with a strong focus on customer benefits and affordability. Their policies cover essential risks such as fire, theft, water damage, and liability, with optional add-ons for sewer backup, overland water, and identity theft protection. A key advantage of CAA home insurance is its member-exclusive discounts, which can significantly lower premiums for policyholders. Even non-members can access competitive rates, but CAA members enjoy additional perks like free tire protection and extended coverage options. One standout feature is the CAA Home Equipment Breakdown coverage, which covers costly repairs or replacements for essential household appliances, including HVAC systems, refrigerators, and water heaters, something not always included in standard policies. CAA also offers a disappearing deductible feature, meaning your deductible reduces for every consecutive claims-free year, rewarding long-term customers. The claims process is generally smooth, with 24/7 claims support and an easy-to-use online claims portal. Many policyholders report fair and timely claim settlements, although, like any insurer, individual experiences may vary. Another advantage is CAA's flexibility, allowing customers to tailor their policies based on their needs, whether they own a house, condo, or rent. However, one potential downside is that policy pricing can fluctuate based on location, and coverage availability may vary by province. Additionally, while the customer service is generally well-rated, some users have reported occasional delays in processing claims during peak periods. Overall, CAA Insurance Home Insurance is a solid choice for those looking for comprehensive coverage, valuable discounts, and unique perks, especially for CAA members. If you're seeking a policy with flexible coverage and cost-saving benefits, it's worth considering. That's it for this review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details.